So, today is our last day of our SIP webinar, and I was assigned to do the acceptance of the challenge. So, I'm waiting for my turn to talk. Medyo kinakabahan ako. What am I going to do? I'm going to record it so that you will be able to see. Okay. Hintay-hintay na ako saglit. Okay, ito ang aking pinsan. Vlogger te. I'm recording. I'm vlogging, you know. Right! Oh, sinilent ko muna yung ano dito para makapag-vlog ako. Vlogger te. So, this is our setup for today. Ayan. Naka-shorts lang ako. Basta presentable ang nasa itaas ngayon. So, it will be okay because this is what they see. And sa baba, hindi naman. So, it's okay. So, I'm waiting for another minute for my turn, before my turn to talk. So, sige muna. Bye muna. Ay, paano yun? Bye muna. Paano ba? So, here's my paper. Ano ka ba? Hintayin lang. Hintay lang kami konti. Ha? Mamaya, kakanta kami ni Makmak.
Kanta.
Ayaw niya. Saan lang simulan? Sige na nga. Nagre-relax ako kasi medyo kinakabahan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit laging na-assign sa akin itong acceptance of challenge. I remember I did this before sa namin, sa Phil Erie. Another one is during our inset, and this time our SIE Writeshop. So, ganito ba talaga ako ka-strong? Kaya nila binibigay sa akin tong task na to. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my turn.
Kaya mo mag-vlog.
Bakit?
Ang pangit mo mag-vlog.
Ay, ang pangit ko daw mag-vlog. Hindi naman ako vlogger eh. Nagtatry lang ako. There's no harm in trying, you know. Bakit ba? Natawanan ako ng kaibigan ko kasi daw, eto daw kulay ng damit ko ay sobrang orange. Tapos yung short ko, super neon. Alam mo yun? Hindi naman nila nakikita, so it's okay. Bye! Bago ko daw i-end tong video, mag-practice daw muna ako ng mag-bye. Bye! Paano ba? Ayaw kasi! Sabi mo, hindi ako marunong. Paano ba? Bye! Parang dapat ako. Bye! Ayun, sige na. Bye-bye! Maraming salamat. Sige, you wait for my speech then.
A few minutes later.
Thank you po, Ma'am Mona. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of all the participants here today, I would like to take this opportunity to recognize and commend the people behind this great program, to our two competent PSDSS, Sir Ed and Sir Joel, to our District Science Key Admin, Sir Aris, to the management team headed by Sir Aris Manalo, to the facilitators as well as to our brilliant speakers. Thank you so much po. We are extremely grateful. Now, I would like to start this talk with the quote I have read from John Maxwell, which says, "Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower." Now, my question is, are we empowered, or are we now empowered? On the first day of our Writeshop, we were all like bottles with different amount of liquid inside. Some bottles were empty, some bottles were almost full. However, despite the differences, we all have one goal in common, and that is to learn. We are all here with an open heart, open mind, and open will. And after 5 days of intensive training, our battles are now full. Full mind with new learning, full heart with new acquaintances, full soul with powerful spirit to offer positive changes in our own schools. This training has come to an end, but the learnings are never ending. Added knowledge and passion for teaching has surely maximized our potentials as teacher researchers. So with all the knowledge, wisdom, and insights gained from this program, we are now confident and empowered enough to bring about the beauty of education for the Batang Rosario despite this pandemic. And with that, sir, we humbly say, challenge accepted. Ayan, tapos na po ako mag-talk. Nakalimutan ko pala. Hindi ako nag-lipstick. But it's okay. I was able to deliver well my speech. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Isa pa daw. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Bye! Ba't hindi ka na nagbablog?